all started the Trimberleys. But of course it's piss pouring rain, so I got guys here buying parts. What's really going on? Hey.
Okay.
For the car doors, right?
Yeah, that side front.
Oh, I'm pretty excited about this pickup today, boys. Highly sought after exquisite. It is. I'll be adding this one to my collection. Yeah, I can't wait. Friggin' awesome. It's friggin' Thanksgiving words today. It's already November up in Canada words. Probably never even noticed that. That's what happens. So late last night getting the siding on the shop. Was, you know, kind of film it, but we got started and then it's just carrying on, and next thing you know, we got her done. Well, mostly done, and then bedtime and stuff, so yeah, pretty thankful for that. Hey, it's the day of Thanksgiving word. Oh, Camaro, decent. Friggin' purple, friggin' Camaro Lamborghini. Okay. Los Angeles.
Hey, Chris, how's it going?
Not too bad, what are you saying?
In honor of your safety enthusiasm,
Nice.
we all put some vests on for you.
Right on.
And we even got one for the dog. Now, yeah, there she is.
Right on. So it needs a boost?
Yeah, it needs a boost. We boosted it to get out to here as far as it could.
Right
If you
on.
want to winch it, you can winch it on. Right?
Right on.
So, keys right there.
But it'll run and shit if I start it?
Yeah, it'll run. You just need to boost it.
Right on.
Yeah, you can drive it right up onto the float
Perfect.
trailer. It needs the lower return for the power steering, but it's right there on the front seat.
Is it a little drippy?
I figure you're either scrapping it, right, or
Yeah,
what?
probably.
So, or jumping it. I was hoping you're going to jump it. Actually, we're watching your show right now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, with your wife in the dumpster there throwing out the tires to you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So Chantel here has never seen the show before. I was telling her about Midnight.
Holy.
I was telling her about Midnight Mover.
Steer's nice.
Yeah, well, that's why I say you need that lower hose on there.
Yeah. All right, all
Thanks a
right.
lot.
Yeah, thank
Have a
you.
good one.
Smoke cigarettes?
Yeah, just IP for the undercoat.
Yep.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, we'll maybe trip up while she's home. So.
Right on.
Right. So.
I can't even believe he's scrapping this thing. Just friggin' awesome. Oh, we made her back, boys. I can't wait to start working on this thing. Okay. Friggin' rights. My new project. My new one. Oh, it's even got a turbo. 2.4 turbo. That makes it even more awesome. Check this out. I got the Chrysler variety, but I also got a different one. I got one of the Chevrolet variety. Oh shit, a piece of tape flopped. That scared me. I thought it was a Liger cat trying to get me. Look at this beauty. This is a nice rig too. Not quite as nice as the one I picked up today, but yeah, decent. Oh, just overgrown as frig. Good ones. Friggin' good ones. Man, I can't believe I scored this friggin' car. This is like up there with finding the friggin' old Dodge there, 5-speed Dodge at the scrapyard. Friggin' scores. This video is gonna get shitloads of views. I didn't want to let the guy know how awesome the car was, because then he might either not want to sell it or want to charge me more monies. So I was just like trying to play it cool, but I was like really exhilarated. You know what I mean? Wow, this thing reeks. Look at that. 215,000 kilometers. Friggin' thing's barely broke in. Got a new power steering line with it. Holy. Horn works. Unbelievable. Friggin' scored, boys. Holy. This is probably the best scrap score I've ever gotten. Just pumped. To park it in the Squizit shed, you know what I mean? Now I got both my Squizits in the Squizit shed. Scores. A little turbocharger down in there, down in the Wandwood. Holy. Holy, it says. Hopefully I got enough battery to capture all the good stuff.
You won't need it, there's not that much.
You don't need a camera?
No.
Oh, yeah, decent.
Remember that? I had her on the window of the garage.
You stole it off me?
No,
What?
I'm bringing it back. I was just borrowing
Oh,
it.
it's borrowed. I see. Right on.
And this, somebody left it on the corner leaning up against the telephone pole. So I don't know whether they hit it and decided to drag it to my house, and there you go. It's one of them there reflector guys. So you just got to straighten it out a little bit, plunk it in the ground, and
Then you can be reflective.
then a couple of pop cans.
Did you see the shop? Me and Tipper were sighted to the inside last night.
The inside.
Yeah. Awesome.
Why do you want the inside all nice? You gotta have wood and shells and shit for all your stuff.
Negative. All types of room. Trained professional. Oh, Dick. Hide your friggin' weed eaters, boys. Yes. I think we got Gus. Oh, there he is, right there. Hide your friggin' weed eaters, boys. Oh, yeah. Probably trying to scope out my weed eaters. He's just pretending he can't find the friggin' tracer wire so that he can sit around and scope out weed eaters. Did they ever catch the guy that was going around taking the weed eaters?
The what?
One of these G-Tail vehicles got caught stealing a weed eater over here.
How long ago was that?
Oh, this is a couple years ago now.
Huh.
So now every time I see a G-Tail, I'm like, oh, hide your weed eaters. Eh?
That's what we're out for.
Mm-hmm. You want? WD-40. That's a trick. Carry a can of WD-40 with you, give her a little squirt.
Oh, you mean right in the cart? Oh.
No, right, just a distributor cap, right? And the coil. You coming? We'll go for a rip. Oh, you got Q-tips, and is that underwear? Scores!
I wonder if it's a his or hers.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it needs brakes big time. Awesome, eh?
Well, I'm not that big. I'm just on speed.
Oh, goodness gracious, Grandpa.
Yeah, well, I'm got kids.
Give you truck money?
Well, I just get the envelope.
Holy, look at the grimace. Holy.
Sorry, I'm late.
No worries, I just got here.
You busy?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah. So this one that you want to show to me, I see on
Pardon me?
the flower.
The what?
The flower.
No, the cabinet?
Oh, not flower? Not
No.
this one?
No.
What you talking about? I asked them for the bougainvillea.
Pardon me?
Yes, Maria.
This?
Bougainvillea.
I don't know what you're saying.
Huh?
I don't know what you're saying.
This flower, bougainvillea.
Bougainville?
Yes.
What's that?
Okay.
I'm here for the cabinet.
No,
What do you mean, no?
I come for the flower.
Oh, good lord.
You made it.
Oh, so you're for the cabinet. That's why they don't know what I'm talking about.
No,
Yeah.
no. And
I come for the flower.
okay, you come in the back for the flowers, and you can come back. And
Oh, you the owner.
Oh, no.
Oh,
I thought you had the
that's why,
cabinet.
No
okay.
problem.
Good
I have the
lord. Holy, that was an
camera. Oh, you have a
episode.
camera. What's
Yeah.
that
Oh, it's for my probation.
for? Oh,
I'm just teasing you. I'm just teasing you.
I know why she's not coming.
Yeah. She confused the hell out of me.
Yeah.
She's
Okay. Yeah, I just finished emptying it.
right on.
Never use it. I have
Never used
stuff in
it.
I didn't even know, but it's all greased underneath, so watch yourself. I put Vaseline for a long time so it slides easier and do not, yeah, tastes very nice. Yeah.
Right on.
It's made by a Canadian company. It's in the angle now, but when it's yeah. I have a little bad knee.
No worries. Take your time. Hip hip.
Tilt it down and then slide. I was worried if you have a truck or something, and I said, how is he gonna take it home?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Perfect.
There you go.
Right on. Oh, thank you. Right on.
Saves you some money.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Thank you very much and have a safe trip. Where you come from? Kitchener?
Inwood. It's like on the way to Sarnia, about an hour, a little
Oh,
over an
okay.
hour away. Yeah.
Yeah, because so many people came from Kitchener and
Oh, yeah.
Waterloo and bought all the drills and
Oh yeah.
machining tools and all
Oh
that.
yeah.
You're gonna do the same when you're gonna be,
Yeah, how come?
you're gonna be his age.
Yeah.
No, you're
Right
going
on.
to be
It's okay. You
Right
need
on.
any wood?
Any food?
Wood.
Wood. What kind of wood?
Come and see.
What do you got?
So where is your flower?
You can have them all if you can use them. Only if you can use them. Otherwise,
Oh,
I
yeah.
put them in the
What is this?
give
That's
people
okay.
to the
What
fireplace.
is this?
Right on. No worries.
That is a fig.
Huh?
Figs.
Oh, I don't know.
The fruit.
I don't know.
Yeah, okay.
Right on.
Okay.
Right on, man.
Okay.
Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
Thank you.
Have a good
Then If
day.
you want,
Thank you. See you later. Out of my hair.
But this is going to help you out, bud. If I find any other good little treasures you might need out there, I'll let you know.
Right on.
Fucking
Cool,
take
man.
good care, buddy.
Right on. Have a good day.
Oh gosh, should have enough metals to close in the back of the dormitory.
Turn left onto Campbell Street.
Hopefully. Hopefully, beg my pardon.